Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best racing party supplies is probably one of the most exciting themes for a birthday celebration, igniting the spirit of competition and fun for kids and adults alike, transforming any space into a vibrant racetrack filled with checkered flags, traffic cones, and the roar of imaginary engines, ensuring a memorable event that zooms past all expectations and leaves guests with a thrilling sense of victory and joy. Number 5. Bedwina Race Car Birthday Party Decorations. Prepare for an exciting race car themed birthday party. This set is perfect for adding a high-speed touch to any celebration. Each pack includes 12 mini cones and 24 checkered flags on sticks. That's 36 pieces in total to bring your racing theme to life. Use these to decorate tables, create a finish line, or set up fun party games. They're perfect for a grand centerpiece or party favors. These versatile items aren't just for parties. They're also great for outdoor games, obstacle courses, and sports drills. You can easily secure the flags to the cones for an authentic race day look. It's simple to create a fantastic centerpiece. We want you to be completely happy with your purchase. If you're not satisfied for any reason, we'll take it back, no questions asked. What we like. This set offers a fantastic combination of mini cones and checkered flags, perfect for creating an authentic race day atmosphere. Its versatility extends beyond just decorations, making it great for games and activities. If you're looking for a hands-on way to engage kids at a race car-themed party, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The banner was a great addition to the party decor. The plates and cups were sturdy and held up well throughout the party. The kids loved the race car theme and were excited to use the themed napkins and cutlery. Number 4. BeYumi 127-piece Race Car Party Supplies Decoration Kit. Get ready to race with our ultimate party pack. This all-in-one kit has everything you need to host an unforgettable event for up to 20 guests. Ignite the excitement with our checkered flag theme. These decorations are designed to bring the thrill of the racetrack right to your party, creating a truly immersive experience. We prioritize your safety and convenience. All items are made from high-quality, eco-friendly materials that are food-safe and durable for both kids and adults. Beyond race car birthdays, this versatile kit is ideal for various celebrations. Use it for baby showers, holidays, sporting events, or even casual outdoor gatherings. This comprehensive set includes everything from plates and napkins to balloons and banners. You'll have plenty of supplies to make your party a roaring success. We're here to help. If you have any questions or concerns about your purchase, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. What we like. This is a comprehensive kit designed to cover all your party needs for up to 20 guests. It includes tableware, decorations, and even goodie bags, simplifying your party planning. If you want a hassle-free, complete package for a race car birthday, this set will ensure your event is fully equipped and festive. What people say. The plates are sturdy and hold up well. The napkins are a good size and absorbent. The cups are durable and don't leak. Number 3. Super Z Outlet 10-foot Racetrack Party Mat. Get ready for an unforgettable racing-themed party. This mat brings the excitement of the racetrack right to your celebration. It looks just like a real street, complete with white dividing lines. Perfect for any car lover or racing fan. Made from a soft yet durable material, it's built to last through all your high-speed adventures. Plus, it includes tape to keep it securely in place. Setting up is a breeze, and when the race is over, it folds up neatly for easy storage and reuse. Measuring 10 feet long and 2 feet wide, it's ideal for exciting one-on-one races at your next birthday or any fun event. Whether you're at a speedway or in your backyard, this classic roadway design will be a hit with everyone. What we like. This product provides a long, realistic racetrack mat that instantly transforms your floor into a racing arena. It's designed for easy setup and storage, making it practical for any space. If you want to create an immersive racing experience and a focal point for party games, this mat is ideal for bringing the thrill of the track indoors. What people say. The checkered flag design is a classic and instantly recognizable symbol for racing enthusiasts. These decorations really set the mood for a high-energy racing-themed party. The quality of the materials used for the banners and tablecloths was surprisingly durable, holding up well throughout the event. Number 2. Race Car Birthday Party Racing Family Dad Pit Crew T-shirt. Get ready to hit the track with this awesome birthday t-shirt. Perfect for any racing enthusiast or pit crew member. Celebrate your love for racing with your family. This shirt is designed for dads who are part of the pit crew and love the thrill of the race. Every dad needs a comfortable and stylish shirt for race day. This one is perfect for cheering from the sidelines or joining the pit crew action. Make their birthday extra special with a racing-themed surprise. It's a fantastic gift for anyone who loves the fast-paced world of car racing. This t-shirt is the perfect way to show your racing spirit. Comfortable and fun, it's ideal for birthday celebrations and family gatherings. Embrace the excitement of race day with this unique t-shirt. It's a great addition to any birthday party or family event for racing fans. What we like. This t-shirt is perfect for the dad who wants to be part of the racing action. It's designed for comfort and allows for fun family matching. If you're planning a race car party and want the dad to embrace his role as the pit crew chief in a fun and comfortable way, this shirt is a great addition. What people say. This set was a great value for the price. The plates and napkins were sturdy and held up well. My son loved the race car theme and the decorations were a hit at the party. Number 1. Dad Pit Crew Car Race Birthday T-shirt. Get ready for a birthday party that's a real race to the finish line. Perfect for the dad who loves cars and a good laugh. Make his birthday celebration a high-octane event. This shirt is designed for the ultimate party host who brings the fun. Add a touch of humor to the festivities. It's a great way to show off his role as the fun-loving party organizer. Embrace the excitement of a car race with this unique birthday theme. It's sure to be a hit with guests of all ages. Looking for a memorable gift for dad? This t-shirt is a fantastic choice for his next birthday celebration. He'll feel like part of the pit crew, ready to manage the fun. It's the perfect attire for a dad who loves to entertain. What we like. This shirt is a fun and humorous way to celebrate a racing-themed birthday party. It's designed to be a conversation starter and adds a playful element to the event. If you're looking for a light-hearted and memorable t-shirt for yourself or a host at a car race birthday party, this Dad Pit Crew design is a fantastic pick. What people say. The banner was a great addition to the party decorations. The plates and cups were sturdy and held up well throughout the party. The kids loved the race car theme and the decorations really brought the party to life. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.